Hi guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to grow a Facebook community using the Facebook group feature. Now you're also going to learn how we grow our Facebook community from 0 to over 10,000 members organically. And also I'm going to give you a bonus tutorial where you're going to see how you could also use sponsored ads in doing this. So make sure you stick to us till the end of this video. It's going to be exclusive. Alright guys, so let's get started. So I'm going to switch into a Facebook page. So in this case, we're going to allow it's same thing. You could use any profile, either your Facebook profile, which is your personal account, or a business page. But for this case, I would like to switch to a Facebook page. So you click on a profile picture at the top right corner. Next, you click on see all profiles if you can't find the page you want to switch into here. So you click on see all profiles. Then you could search, or you could scroll down to find the page you want to switch into. Okay, so for this one, let's just search for it. Okay, all right, so I'm switching to Bright Agency. Okay, so the page is switching. All right, we are here now. Next, we're going to find the group or the community. Okay, so before we go into how to create the Facebook group and others, I want to show you one of the group we've actually grown before. So which is why I switched to Bright Agency. So you're going to see our page. I'm going to give you an overview of how things is on the Facebook group. Then we're going to move further in doing one from scratch. Okay, so stick with us. All right, so I'm going to click on groups. So this particular group, okay, so we have three major groups. So the first one is Worldwide Marketplace. The second is Nigeria General Marketplace and Bright Community. Okay, so our focus is going to be Nigeria General Marketplace. But let's have a look at the Worldwide Marketplace. It's been a long time since I came here. Okay, so let's see how many followers. The last time I came here, it should be around 600 members. Okay, so it's getting to 700. So this is another community we are growing. All right, so let's go back. Now our focus is Nigeria General Marketplace. So this group has over 10,000 members and it was grown organically. All right, so we're going to show you how to take advantage of optimization. So optimization simply means doing things the right way or the best way it can be done or it should be done. All right, so you could see this is our group. You could see the cover art, very beautiful, Nigeria General Marketplace. So you could see the cover photo of the group, Nigeria General Marketplace, buy, sell, and connect. So this is what the group is all about. And we have over 10K members, currently at 11.3K members. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through what we did for this group. So we also turned on the featured posts where we could highlight necessary announcements for the community. Okay, and we also have an ID card where we verify vendors because it's a buy and sell group. So you could see this is one of our verified vendor. I'm going to click on it, so you're going to see this group. We actually spent a lot of resources to put it in place. So you could see this is a verified vendor and he's into business registration services. All right, his business name is Smart Biz Hub. It's very beautiful, right? So we have quite a good number of vendors who are verified. So here's another vendor that is verified. So I'm going to show you how you can create your own group or you can grow your own business community on Facebook that you could leverage on organic promotion. So let's get started. We're going to start from afresh. All right. So next, we're going to log in to a Facebook page since we talked about creating a business group for a community. So we click on the menu button at the top right corner where my profile picture is showing. So it's going to be yours. Then you click on it. Then you click on see all profiles in order for you to select the particular page you want to switch into, or you could search for the business page. So for this is Japa items. So we're going to switch into Japa items right away. All right, so you could close down this or you could take the tour if you want, but that's not what we want to do here. We're not covering how to set up a page. So you click on group at the left hand bar. All right, so next we're going to click on create new group. So this is what we want to do. So we're creating a new group for this business. So we select a name. So we could just call it Japa items for now, since it's a new brand and the name is very relatable to the region, which is Nigeria. Okay, so next you could choose your privacy. Okay, so you could actually create a public group or a private group. So for this, we're going to focus more on the public group. It's quite easier to grow a public group. So we go for public group, then we click on create. All right, congratulations. The group has been created. So what's next? It's time to begin optimization. All right, so we're going to visit the overview. So we've clicked on overview. All right, so this is what, so you could see the option where you could also promote the group. We're going to cover that later. So we go back to manage. Okay, so we scroll down and click on group settings. All right. Okay, so at the first area, at the first page, that is where you could edit your name and description, and you can also edit other stuff. So the first thing we're going to do is to edit the group web address. Okay, so you could see click on the edit button there. Then we're going to add the name. We're going to try Japa items if it's available. Okay, so we could see that it's available. Then we scroll down and click on save. So you can now visit this group by visiting facebook.com/groups/Japa items. So next we're going to select a group color. Yeah, let's customize our Facebook group. Okay, so you could select any of this color that you prefer. So let's go for blue, then we'll click on save. Okay. Okay, next you could click on the group affiliation. So we'd like this Facebook page to be affiliated with the group, more like this Facebook page is the owner of this group. So we click on save. That is the whole idea of the group affiliation. Okay, so you could turn on all those stuff if you want. So next is participant approval. So you could turn this on. So read up the instruction. Then you click on save so that you understand why it's important to turn on the participants approval. So you could look out all of this as much as you would want to play around with. Okay, so we could also edit any of this. Anonymous posting is on. Required post approval is off for now. Since it's a new group, I guess you should just turn it off. Okay, yeah. So you don't stress the new persons. Next, we're going to select edit post format. So let's edit this. Let's see what we could find there. All right, so we'll click on add. So you could also read up all of this. So click on add to add a post format. Okay, so these are some stuffs you could combine. Okay, so whichever you want to focus on. So let's go back to the group settings. Okay, so scroll down to the bottom again. Okay, now we're still going to cover make a quick review at the Nigerian General Marketplace so that you see what feature we're using, just in case it interests you. So you could also link multiple pages, and this is where to do it if you want. You could also link apps if you want. Yeah, so that's how beautiful it is. So this is the new member intro. You could edit that. Next is the location. So we're going to edit our location. So we just focus on Nigeria because the Japan word is very much relatable to Nigerians. So it's best we use Nigeria as the region. So you click on save. You could also add other countries. It works very well. If you want to add maybe South Africa, United States, you could do that for your own group. Okay, so we've saved that. Our group location is Nigeria. Okay, yeah, so we've done the web. Okay, we could also edit the name and description. So let's edit that and add a description. Okay, so buy and sell neatly use household items. Then we'll click on save. This is very important for the group chat. Okay, let's allow to load up. Okay, so it's been updated successfully. Next, we're going to update the group cover. So we'll make it to the community home. Then we'll click on edit at the top right corner. Then we choose a group photo. So we select upload photo. Then we choose a photo on our desktop. Then we'll click on open. Okay, so this is the cover photo we want to use for this group. Very beautiful, right? Then we'll click on save. All right, so this is it. We've successfully updated the group cover photo. All right, so this is great.
All right, guys. So before we're gonna cover how to promote your Facebook community organically, let's explore the basic features Nigeria General Marketplace is currently using. I think this is another important aspect we need to cover. All right, so click on Nigeria General Marketplace. Okay, so we're gonna go to the settings, group settings, precisely. Okay, so this is group settings. Now you could find the name and description right here. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the editor so you see that this is the name and this is how it was all set up, right? Okay, so let's click on cancel. Okay, so next is new member intro, so you could turn it off and on. Okay, so this is where you could, change your new member intro. This is what new members are going to see once they join your group or once they try to join your group. So you can see we did a welcome message for them, very inspiring and interesting. Then we feature the rules and regulation of the community. So you could customize all of this. Okay, okay, okay. Fold this back. So the privacy, raising public, the group is visible, location is Nigeria, the tag is entrepreneurship and startup, then branding and marketing. Okay, so this is the web address, which could still be edited if you want to edit this. Okay, you could see the badges. We are using 12 badges here. We are virtually using all the badges available on Facebook group. Okay, and the group affiliation is right owns the page, so participant approval is turned on. So we also activated profiles and pages to interact or participate in the group. So participation question, okay, that is if you want to do some kind of interview or screening, you could ask specific questions that you'd like. Yeah, so that would work also. So you could see we turned on anonymous posting, require post approval because the group is big and there's a lot of posts to be approved. One of the importance of turning on post approval is that a lot of persons post contents that are not allowed on Facebook. So if you don't turn it on, Facebook might delete your group when there's frequent posts that violates their community standards and other policies. So it's very important you turn this on as your group grows. Okay, so this is approve edits. This is not necessary, but you could do that if it's important for the kind of community you're growing. Okay, then edit post format. You could also add if you want to add stuff here. Then sort comments. Default tab is buy and sell. So now the truth is that we've noticed that buy and sell groups they grow very very fast. Okay, so you might want to consider using this, or maybe you grow your community from scratch without the buy and sell feature. So private replies are on. Yeah, you could reply any vendor on their DM. So we're allowing that to support businesses. Okay, now these are other important things we added here. Okay, to make our group more fun. The events, the fights is very important to us. Live videos. Could also play games on the group. And could also watch reels, raise money, request offer. Okay, so you see how cool this is. So these are some features we're using on the Nigeria General Marketplace. Now I'm going to teach you how you could also grow your group organically. Okay, so apart from the optimization which we've covered and we just um, retouched again just now for the Nigerian General Marketplace, you could also invite your page followers. So this is where you do it. If you have lots of followers, like currently, Bright has over 4,000 followers. So you could click on the invite button. So you invite Facebook friends. Yeah, but since it's a Facebook page, it's going to show the followers. So you could see. So you can invite as many followers as you want. Okay, so this is just a sample. I'm just going to invite just for that you send the invite. Okay, so it starts easy. All right. Then you could also share the group link. Maybe you could copy the group link and switch to your personal profile and post it if that's what you want. Or you could post it on other platform or on your WhatsApp status or your WhatsApp contact or in your WhatsApp group. You could also do that. Alright, so I'm gonna click X on this. Or you could also post it on the Facebook page if you want to. Okay, so before now there used to be a feature whereby people could automatically be invited by the Facebook page to join the group. It usually works for pages that have admin access to the community or to the Facebook group. So for example, before now, once you click on the invite, you would see an option, let's say somewhere around the top to turn on automatic invite, where all your active followers or fans will be invited to join this community. But sometimes Facebook removes these features or maybe they put it somewhere else. You could also generate a QR code by clicking here. Okay, then you could download it if you want, or you copy the code. Okay, yeah, so let's go back. All right, so I guess that's basically the major things you can do to grow your group organically. So, like I said, you could also switch into your normal Facebook account and invite your friends to join this. But it's important that do not try to add so many persons all at once. So give it time. Alright guys. So I want to show you guys something. Alright guys, I want to show you guys something. Let's visit worldwide. Let's visit worldwide marketplace. Now you notice that the group members has actually increased. So you could see that the organic promotion we're talking about, specifically the optimization, is working very well on this group. So the last time we checked, let's say at the beginning of this video, where you saw that it was around 600, 700, but now you could see the group member is almost getting to 1K for this group. So you see, so what we're actually sharing with you here is very, very real. Okay. All right, guys. So now we're going to move on as a bonus. We're going to cover how to run ads. Okay. So how you could use ads to grow your Facebook group. Before now, Facebook released a unique ad objective or ad optimization that would help you get more group members on a public group. Yeah, but as Facebook constantly changes and new features are being rolled in and old features are being rolled out or other features are being rolled out. So you might go to Ad Manager and you might not see the optimization to grow your Facebook group. Okay, so but what you could do, you could also send traffic or you could create a landing page where you could ask people to visit and then provide the link for them to join your group. Take for example, Nigeria General Marketplace. So it actually has a web page on our official website at Gripe. So I'm going to show you. This is NGP's web page. And we could actually send traffic from Facebook ads to this place. So you could see, very amazing, right? Okay, so another interesting thing about this web page is that you could see once you click on visit NGP, this automatically takes you to Facebook. So you can feel that, right? So this is another way you could actually have people to join your group with Facebook ads. Alright, so we're going to move on to setting an ad campaign. So let's get started. So you click on the plus button and we're going to use the desktop version. Okay, now it's going to be very, very easy. Yeah, so let's download this. I would like to do something simple. So let's download this cover, this group cover. Okay, so how do we, okay, let's use the laptop's feature. Okay, so we've downloaded it. Now let's visit Ads Manager. So we'll go to facebook.com/ads manager. Alright, so for us, we're going to switch to a preferred ad account, preferably a business prepaid ad account. So I'm going to search for that. So click on see more. So this is the ad account we prefer to use. So we switch to the ad account, our preferred ad account. Okay, so here we go. So you could actually start from here to create a new campaign. You click on this create button, or you could visit the campaign tab where all campaigns you've run in the past, or where all campaigns are usually displayed. So you click on campaign. Let's go through here. This is what is usually found. Okay, so I'm going to click on the create button to launch a new campaign. Alright, so let me just make a quick rundown of this. Now, I'm not going to teach every aspect of this. We're just going to focus on what we need for the Facebook page. So we're just going to focus on what we need to grow the Facebook group. But these are objectives. So we have the awareness, we have the traffic, we have the engagement, we have the leads, we have the app promotion, then we have the sales. Okay. All right. So we're gonna choose one of these. Yeah, we're gonna choose one of these. So now I'm gonna share something with you. For this traffic, I usually recommend any of these objectives if you want to run an ad that sends people to your Facebook group. Either you go for the traffic or engagement or the sales. Okay, now I'm going to skip this traffic and talk about the engagement very briefly. When Facebook released the feature whereby there's an optimization to now track people who are actually joining your Facebook group, it was kept at the engagement. Okay, so I'm just quickly going to run that so that in case the feature is brought back or some advertisers on Meta are now able to access it, you would know where exactly you need to go in order for you to use this optimization on Ads Manager. Okay, so click on continue. I'm just going to skip things for now. I always prefer doing the manual settings. Okay, so click on continue again. Okay, so this first level is called the campaign level, while the next one is called ad set level, and the final one is called ad level. Okay, so You can scroll down. Now, I don't want to talk much about this for now, but let's go to the ad level. The ad level is where I want to talk about briefly. We are actually not going to use this optimization, okay? Okay, so this is the ad level. So before now, this is where you're going to find how to run ads and send people to your Facebook group. And Facebook has an official optimization that can track how many persons is actually joining this your group you're trying to promote on Meta. But the feature was removed. We don't know why. Okay. So you basically come to this point. Okay. So this is where you could set your name. We're gonna do this later. But you move to the conversion area. This is the conversion location where you expect to see action or where they should drive engagement. So we click here. We don't want to go for the messaging apps. You should be on the ads. Okay, so usually it's on your ad category. Once you click on this, yeah, then you scroll down and see engagement type. Usually you would find, okay, usually you would find join groups, okay, but no longer available. So we wanted to show you this so the future comes out, or maybe you can access it in your own ad account. Then you could go ahead with using this feature because you're going to get the most results because Facebook is actually tracking how many persons are joining your group on Facebook. So you're gonna have better results if you use the optimization rather than sending people to your landing page, then they visit Facebook to join your group. A very long process. Okay. All right. So we're gonna close this for now. Then let's start a fresh campaign. Okay. So we're gonna start a fresh campaign. You could also discard this draft. So just for sample, so we discard it. Alright guys, so let's start. Okay. So now, okay, so we'll click on the create button again. Since I've basically highlighted the engagement objective, how it's going to be useful to you. So what's left for us is the traffic and sales. Now the traffic is actually the best because it's kind of cheaper to you or to anyone on the or to anyone on the platform. But there's something about the traffic. The traffic doesn't really track how many persons actually landed on your landing page. Okay, that is something about the traffic. So the performance you're going to get on the traffic might differ from what is actually happening on your Facebook group compared to the ad results you're seeing, which is why if the engagement was available, the engagement and optimization is actually the best process for this ad campaign because Facebook will be able to track how many persons are actually joining the group. Okay, now the traffic does not even track how many persons are leaving your landing page or your website. In our own case, how many persons are leaving the NGMP webpage to drive to our Facebook group. So you see, so but the traffic is usually cost effective, so you could go for this. Okay, now the second one is for the sales, also known as conversion. Now, I would advise you to only use this when you have a pixel code installed on your website. Okay, a pixel code is or a conversion API that would help you track web activities. For us, where our conversion API is activated on our website at Bright. Okay, so we'll be able to run a conversion. So we'll be able to run a conversion ads. Maybe in this case, let's say we can set up our pixel. We can set up our pixel to track NGNP. Okay, so we can set up our pixel to track how many persons clicked on this page. Okay, so once someone clicks on this page, our pixel will be able to track that event that occurred because it's actually an event that just occurred. But once it comes to Facebook, I'm giving you, so I'm giving you the honest experience when you try to run ads from here. So once someone comes here, you can't really track who joins the group. So I believe you understand the advantage of the Facebook optimization. So you can see that this is where the benefits of the previous optimization that was available, whereby with the Facebook optimization, you can actually track how many persons are joining your public group. Okay, so I believe this makes sense. So let's go back to the creation phase. Okay, now for this, now if you've not set up the conversion API and if you're not tracking a particular event or any button on your website, you could also go for the traffic page, or maybe let's say you could just go for the traffic. Okay, let's just go for the traffic. Okay, so we click on the traffic, then you click on continue. So like I've always said, I prefer doing the manual setup. So I go for manual, then I click on continue. Okay, so I want to make a special announcement. We're going to be launching a mentorship program to teach you how to run ads on Ads Manager in a more professional way. Okay, so you have to join the membership. So stay tuned and stay posted. We're going to announce once we've launched this mentorship program on how to run ads using this tool. Okay, all right, guys. So let's continue. Okay, so you could set a name. So we could call it NJMP group promotion. Okay, so I've named the campaign. So like I said, this is the campaign level, while this is the ad set level, and this is the ad level. Okay, so usually the campaign level has basic things you could do here. Number one, you could set your ad categories, but we wouldn't go deep. I wouldn't want to go into details what the campaign level covers. We're going to do that in the official training. All right, but once you get to this point, you simply click on next. So when you click on next, it's going to take us to the ad set level. So this is the ad set level. I won't bother changing the name because it's just one ad we're going to be running. So it's not going to be multiple ads with it's multiple ad sets. So no need for this. Next, we're going to select website because it's a landing page. Okay, so we'll click on website. All right, so we scroll down. Okay, now what I want to share with you is that, like I said, if you don't have any pixel or conversion API installed, just leave it at maximize number of link click. Then in a case whereby you have the conversion API or metapixel installed on your website, but you've not set up conversion or event tracking. So event tracking simply means tracking when someone clicks on a button. Okay, that's what I meant by that. So if you've had the conversion API, but you don't have any event tracking activities on the website. So all you need to do, you could change this from maximum number of link click to maximum number of landing page views, so that you could actually tell how many persons actually visited your website to interact with the contents that are there. Okay, so you could set your budget here. You could use maybe 4,000 naira or 10,000 naira, depending on your budget for the ad campaign. Then you could select 7 days or allow the ad to run continuously. So you're going to send massive traffic. So also take note of these analytics tools I'm showing here. It's giving you an estimation of how many reach and the number of persons that will most likely visit your landing page. Okay. Okay. So let's quickly go down. Then next is to do targeting. You could target your region. We wouldn't go into detailed targeting. We'll just go we're just going to do a broad targeting. So you simply edit your region. If you want to change your location to maybe South Africa or whatever it may be, so you could come here to change your location so that your ad is going to show to the specific country or place you want it to show. Okay, so you could do that here. Then you scroll down, then you click on next to go to the ad level. So the ad level basically has to do with your creatives. Yeah, your creative. So the ad level basically have to do with your creative, what your viewers are going to see. So in case if you have so many pages or multiple pages, you could come here and select the appropriate page you want to use for this ad. So for this one, I could decide to use Bright Agency or maybe Bright. So let's use Bright Agency. Let's use Bright Agency. Okay, so I'm using Bright Agency to run this ad. Okay, okay, so now we're just going to use a single image. It's a simple ad we're going to run. Then we'll click on Add Media, Add Image. So you could either use any of your content or you could upload. So we're just going to upload. So don't forget to subscribe for the ads training. So you're going to master how to use Ads Manager in a comprehensive way. Okay, so we click on next. It's already been selected, as you can see. So click on next. Then we check your optimization. Okay, I would want it to be original. Original. So make sure it's not overlapping. Okay, this is better for me because I want everything, the whole design should appear on the screen. So click on next. No, I'm not cropping. So we turn on all optimization for Facebook AI to help our creative perform better. Okay, then we click on done. So we're going to make our primary text very easy. So we just click on join join our community. Okay, it's brilliant. All right. So for the headline, then we just let's just write MGNT. But take your time to draft out a good headline. You could visit our Instagram profile where we talked about um, hacks on how to write a good headline. And you could also visit our website blog to learn how to make a copy or an ad copy or a primary text for Facebook. So it's actually called the copywriting guide on our website blog. So you could go there and learn how to do all this. Okay. Okay, so call to action button is learn more. Yes. Yeah, learn more. Okay, let's click on that. So these are different options. But the learn more is always good. Or you could also use get access so that they know they're going there to join the group. So we could click on get access. That sounds cooler. Okay. Okay, the next part is website. So the destination, we're going to select the destination. So we click on website. Then we'll be able to input the URL. Okay, so let's HTTPS. You could also preview this link to confirm if it's functioning well. Okay, so you could see our link is active. Perfect. So we go back, then we scroll down. Okay, we don't really need this. Okay, could add our what in case they want. or you can go for none if that's what you prefer. Okay. Okay. Now for the website data, now you have to ensure that you're using the right pixel. Okay, you have to ensure you're using the right pixel. Uh, that your ad account is connected to the pixel. So this is the ad preview. So you could see join our community. Okay, and GNP. Okay, I think that didn't update. So we could go back. Then okay. Yes.
All right, so the final step is to hover your cursor down to the publish button. Then you click on publish. So you're going to allow this to take its time to process and completely launch the ad campaign. Okay, so the ad campaign level, the ad set level, and the ad level has been published successfully. So it's very clear, multiple item published. Okay, so you're going to allow this to process completely. Then the ad will go into review automatically. Then you give Meta some time to verify that your ads comply with all their policies. Then it's going to start delivering. Okay, guys. So we successfully launched a campaign. Over here, guys, so I want to believe that you've enjoyed the tutorial on how to grow your Facebook group or your Facebook community. Now, concerning how to run ads. Now, running the ads through the desktop ads manager is not the only way you could actually drive traffic. You could also run your ads using your mobile device to drive traffic from Instagram to your website, and also how to drive traffic from Facebook to your website. So let's cover how to run ads from the Instagram app and Facebook app to your landing page. So for the next process, we're going to try launching an ad on the Instagram app to drive traffic to the NGNP Facebook community. So you visit your profile on the Instagram app. Okay, so next you select a post. You could select any of this you want to use. Okay, so maybe let's just use this one. Okay, let's use this one. Then you click on the boost post. So we're going to go for traffic, which is website traffic. Okay, so you could see visit your website, best for online sales booking, helping people learn more about you. So we go for this. Then it's asking for URL. So the landing page for the Nigerian General Marketplace web page on our website is. So for this one, we're going to use learn more. So we click on next. Okay, let's just use this. Then we'll click on next. This is the targeting we're using, or you could create your own. So you could name it Nigeria. Okay, location, we're just going to use Nigeria. Okay. Okay, so click on good. We'll just leave it no interest targeting. We want the targeting to be broad. So we click on good at the top right corner. Okay, so we click on next. Okay, so for this, let's just go with the list budget. Then we could go with the run this ad until we pause it, or you could set a duration if you want. So after this, you click on next. Okay, so this is the preview. Okay, then you click on boost posts. Okay, you could accept this also. Click on boost posts. All right. All right, so you could see that our ads is currently in review. So click on OK. For the next one, we're going to do this on the Facebook app. So we're just doing so that you could run your ads comfortably. One of the easiest way to run your ads on the mobile app is to simply use an existing post, or you could simply publish one. Okay, so to make it easier, you could just click on create a post. So the easiest way to do that is to go back to the home page, then you click on the photo. So we're going to select the photo here. So let's select this one. Okay, so we could just say join our community. Another amazing thing is that you could still actually use the Facebook group link if you want. You could actually input that here as well. So okay, so once you're done with this, you click on next, then you publish this post. It's not an event. Okay, so let's just publish. So we post the content on our Facebook page. Okay, so you could see the boost now post. So you could boost the post from here, or let's go through the common method which everyone would actually see after the post has been published. So you could actually still boost it from here, but I want to do it from here. So we'll visit our profile on Facebook, then we'll scroll down to boost this post. Okay, so I've clicked on it, then we'll click on boost post. Okay, so we usually recommend that make sure you switch to a prepaid ad account, especially if you're a Nigerian. So once the page for you to start setting up your ad shows up, the first thing you do is to scroll down to the bottom and select your preferred ad account. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. Okay, I'm already using my preferred ad account, health01. So you see, I'm going to leave it that way. If not, I would advise you to switch to another ad account you would like. Okay, so let's say for example, if I want to switch, we could also use official Bright ad account. Okay, so you see, so after selecting your preferred ad account, you make it to the top. You could also scroll to the bottom again to confirm. Then you go to the top. All right, so we start the editing. So we're gonna use get more websites. Okay, get more website visitors. This is what we want. So we click on this one. Okay, then we'll continue. Okay, since it's website, we're going to change this button. It's no longer a call button. We want them to visit our website, so we could use the learn more. Okay, so then let's change the web address, so we use ngmp. All right, so this is perfect for us. Okay, then we okay, so you could see then you click on save. Okay, then we scroll down. Then we scroll down, so you could see the audience is already in Nigeria. So you could also edit it by clicking on edit to change it. Okay, so these are the placements. This ad can show on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger, but most of it will show on Facebook. Take note of that. Okay, so for this, we could just use the least budget. We don't want to do much. Okay, but for yours, you could set as high as possible. Okay, or you could make your ads to run for maybe 3 days or 1 week, depending on what you want, or a month. You could also go for a month if that's okay with you. Okay, so we are done. Next is to click on the boost post. So you click on boost post now. Okay. And that's it. It's very easy to launch the ads on the Facebook app. Okay. So you could see creating ad, join our community, Nigerian General Marketplace. All right. This is beautiful, right? All right, guys. So that's how to run the ads on your mobile phone for Instagram and on Facebook. Right, so it's very important you visit the description section. That's where we're going to provide exclusive information and so much more. So I also want to remind you guys, I talked about we're going to be launching a new training where we're going to cover how to run ads on Ads Manager. Okay, so that is more like an advanced course which we're going to launch very soon. We're going to roll it out very soon. All right, guys. So in order for you to access those exclusive videos, you would have to subscribe to our membership plan. Okay, and also for the basic tier, to subscribe to. You're also going to access exclusive videos, okay? And there's a lot of hacks and tricks to help you in meta advertising, several other things that has to do with business and etc. But believe me, you're definitely going to enjoy joining that community because we have a lot of cool stuff to roll out in the community. And one of the most exciting things is that you get to connect with like-minded people who are actually taking a step further because they actually come out from the crowd. Okay, guys, so I don't want you to miss that for any reason. So make sure you subscribe to our membership plan to access more exclusive videos. The higher you go, the better for you. But start from somewhere and keep in touch with us because we're going to give you updates on what next to focus on in your business and personal development. So feel free to explore other videos related to Facebook advertising, Instagram, or business as a whole. See you in our next video. Bye for now. Additionally, it's very important that our community understand what we do at Gright. So we want to take our time in this remaining part of this video to talk about Gright and what we do, the services we offer, and how we could help you get successful, especially if you're a busy business owner or as your business expands and you need professional help in your business activities. So the first one we're going to talk about here is business planning. So we could help you give a proper business development, take your time to craft out what your goals are and things you need to do in order for you to achieve that. Because one of the key things in starting business is getting all the ideas out of your head and putting them into a usable and also an achievable format. So this is one thing we could help you to achieve at Gright. So we are always at your service to help you build a business plan that takes care of all the hows, the whys, and the clear plan you need to succeed as a business owner so that you could attract investors, secure essential funding, okay, and a lot more because you need a clear goal, you need a clear plan, you need a clear objective, and you need an optimized effort across your business input or your business areas. All right, so we're going to move on to the next one. So, business planning is very important because this is one of the first areas in business. So, let's talk about professional branding. So we all know that branding is very, very important for our business reputation and how we want our customers to see or they experience us and how we could also shape our words to fit in and to connect deeper with our target audience. So this is very important from the brand elements like your logo, your color, your fonts, and so much more. We're going to help you create something that aligns with your business goals, your objectives, and also your expectation and the kind of feeling or the empathy attached to your brand. So let's help you set a standard for what you could be consistent with and what would help you be memorable or always remembered in the heart of your target audience, especially when it comes to a particular service or a business offering you offer to your target audience. Okay, so trust us, trust our expert team to give you the best and help you bring it all to life with the great expert team. So you could contact us. You could send us a message on WhatsApp or message us throughout our online presence. The next, we talk about coming online. So if you're building for success online, Gright could help start executing all the business planning and what your branding should be doing. So where you need to be positioned for customers to find you. So they said one of the two major things about business is to be where your customers are and to show up when customers are searching. All right, so let's help you with this services. We could help with the website SEO, yeah, and your social media optimization, Google My Business Profile, which is the local directories. You could also open an account for you at Trustpilot, yeah, so that on the review page where it's very trusted, most users go there to verify a business presence and what customers are talking about them or what they have to say or what their experience is rather. All right, so and you could also get your being my business setup as well if you want that to work for you. So feel free to contact us. Let's help you build a strong online presence at Grind. Our team are always ready to serve you. Okay, so you could hit us on WhatsApp 0 +234 706 4316107 or send us a message across our social platforms and we are going to respond to you. Okay, so the next one is the media buying and media planning services, professional services. Okay, so we could help you maximize the impacts of your advertising budget across the online space like Google and the Google partners and Google ads, basically Meta ads, Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, Audience Network, Twitter, YouTube ads, and Snapchat ads, Spotify, TikTok ads, and LinkedIn ads. Very professional platform. Okay, so as a full advertising company, we are at your service to help you succeed. Okay, guys, so feel free to come up with those strong questions or strong concern you have about succeeding online, and we'll definitely be glad to help you out in these areas. Okay, all right. So the next one we're going to be talking about is the creative aspect, media and creative aspect, where we could help you work on your marketing materials. Okay, yeah, and make quality videos and flyer designs or product and designs for your products you're selling. So we could help you tell your story and connect with your target audience in the easiest way possible. Okay, so it's very important to work with a professional. So we offer animation, voiceover, copywriting, flyer design, video creation, creative design, printing, and media services. As much as you want us, we are expanding so that we could help serve you better and help your business to align properly with its target audience. Okay, so if you also want a documentary video, we could work out something for you also. So feel free to reach out to our expert team and we'll be glad to help you. Next, get Gright to help you create a professional website that is properly optimized and mobile friendly to help focus on the goals or objective most important to your business. Okay, guys. So we provide tailored tech solutions to meet your business requirements. So whether you want a web development services or a software development or mobile app for your business or for whatever project you're having, trust our expert team to help you with these cases and be sure of getting the best and the best outcome of. So feel free to reach out to us, guys. We'll be glad to help and support your business. So next, we're gonna be moving to the next one where we'll be talking about one of our exclusive services called the social media management. So this particular service is very unique because it was a marketing and an advertising based and social media management package. So it primarily focuses on busy business owners enterprises that care a lot about quality, and companies seeking to get the most out of their online investments, because we take a lot into consideration in helping you to go out there and dominate your market. So if you know you want to get the best, connect with Gright, and let's help you bring out all the ideas and see how great your business is online and what are the potentials you can assess and scale up as a business owner. So trust us, we only provide professional social media management services at Gright. Now, next, this is another exclusive one, usually for the tech guys and specifically those who are building tech products. Maybe you want to integrate with some of Meta's APIs and developers tool. Yeah, so you could contact us to help you as a Meta business partner. There's a lot we could help you do, like it's listed on this flyer: business manager verification, others, a WhatsApp API. Okay, so we have full access to connect with Meta's expert teams to come into your product and help you have a successful integration and partnership with them, which is Meta Technologies, in building better products. Maybe you want to build your customer service channels on WhatsApp. So we could help you in designing something unique and perfect to help support your business growth. So you can you can place a booking for this and speak to us so we know how to help you out in these cases. Okay. As a Meta business partner, so we wanted to emphasize or further emphasize as Facebook and Instagram media buying agency. So trust us to give you the professional work. So we're not just an expert in this field, but we are a recognized Meta business partner to help you deliver tailored results, tailored strategies to help support your business goals and your expectations. Okay, so feel free to reach out to us and let's get you the best conversion on Meta with our professional advertising services on Instagram and Facebook. Hey guys, so this is something very special and amazing for content creators. Okay, so we recently rolled out these services, our content creator management services, to help content creators succeed online, specifically on Meta and also on YouTube, and as well as other platforms like TikTok and etc. All right. So one of the amazing things about Meta is that we have been approved to manage content creators on Meta platform. So we have a lot of amazing features and support services to help you succeed as well on Meta platform. And same thing on YouTube. We are fully dedicated to help you succeed on YouTube with your content creation goals and objective and expectation. We want to be your besties. We want to be your partner to success. Okay, so feel free to reach out to us, and we have a lot and a lot of amazing stuff for you and deals. Okay, guys. So now, as a consultancy agency, it's very important that we bring this out because at Gright we have links with different experts across different fields, and in case you need help in anything related to business or as a content creator, feel free to book a consultation and speak with our team. And we'll definitely giving our best to help you smile at the end of the day. Okay. Trust us to help you go. So feel free to book a consultation on our website and talk to us about your concern or your worries or your projects or your goals or your plans. Oh, and we want to ensure that you succeed. So find us, speak to us, and connect with us. We'll be waiting for your inquiries and your bookings, guys. All right.